Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt with C Programming video tutorial. In this tutorial, we learn how to find the GCD and LCM of two numbers. GCD means greatest common divisor and LCM means least common multiple. Let's move to the coding. Inside the main, here we initialize some variables which we use in our program. Next, we ask user to enter numbers. So I am gonna write here printf. Please enter two number. Then we read the input number that the user entered through scanf function. Scanf %d and then $x and $y. Next we copy the value of x to a and y to b. So write here a equal to x and then b equal to y. We write here these two statements because if we perform the operation on x and y, we will lose the original value of x and y. So to retain the original value, we copy it to another variable, that is a and b, and then perform all the operation on a and b. Next we learn how to find the GCD of two numbers. Let's see. Consider a equal to 12 and b equal to 5. We find the GCD of these two numbers. Our first task is to divide a by b and find the remainder. So we can write r equal to a mod b. Here a equal to 12 and b equal to 5. So we perform the operation 12 mod 5 and the remainder is 2. Next we perform a equal to b, means value of b is copied to a. b's value is 5, so now a will contain 5. Then we perform b equal to r. Value of r is copied to b. r contain 2, so now b will contain 2. After executing these three statements, a's value is 5 and b's value is 2. Next we again divide a by b and find the remainder. Now a is 5 and b is 2. So we perform 5 mod 2 and the remainder is 1. Next executing this operation and the value of a is 2. Then executing this statement and the value of b is 1. But the question is how many times we execute these three statements or when we stop the operation. We execute these three statements until the value of b will be 0. When b's value will be 0, we stop the operation. You can see here value of b is 1, which is not equal to 0. So we execute this three statement again. This time a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. And we perform 2 mod 1 and the remainder is 0. Next execute a equal to b and a's value is 1. Then execute b equal to r and b's value 0. As we reach b equal to 0, we stop the execution and GCD will be a's value. Since a hold 1, so GCD of 12 and 5 is 1. Let's move to the coding. Here first we write the termination condition, that is while b not equal to 0. Inside the loop first we find the remainder, that is r equal to a mod b. Next we copy the value of b to a, so write here a equal to b and then b equal to r. Here we find the GCD and it will be stored to the variable a. So outside of this loop I am gonna write GCD equal to a. Next we find the LCM. LCM equal to multiplication of two input numbers, that is x multiplied with y, and then it is divided by GCD. So LCM equal to x multiplied with y and then it is divided by GCD. Next we print the value of GCD. So I am gonna write here printf greatest common divisor of %d and %d equal to %d. And here we refer x, y and GCD. Next we print the value of LCM. So I am gonna copy it and paste here and write here least common multiple. And here LCM. Let's check the output, compile it and run it. It asking for two number. I am gonna enter 12 and 5. Greatest common divisor of 12 and 5 equal to 1 and least common multiple of 12 and 5 equal to 60. Let's check it for another value, compile it and run it. This time I am gonna enter 6 and 2. Greatest common divisor of 6 and 2 equal to 2 and then least common multiple of 6 and 2 equal to 6. That's it. Hope you understand. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel.